Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add header to your Linktree profile. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. How to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Linktree app. Then here in the middle you can tap on enter header, and here you can write something for the people who will see your header. Then on the top left corner accept it, then you added header to your profile. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.